Hey guys, so in this tutorial, let's create the HDA. So in previous tutorial, I showed you how to create the camera custom thing. So this is the camera custom, and let's convert this thing to an HD like this thing. Okay, so I just pull my camera from here. Yeah. So you can create this HD. Okay, so first of all, if you want to create an HDA, so first I just select this node. This is our controller, and this is our main output. So this is the actual output. Okay, and this is the controller. So first of all, I select all this thing. Just select, and here we have a need a subnet. Okay, and let's rename this uh, camera uh, camera custom paste. Okay, so we have actually our camera custom tool here. So I just rename this camera custom paste. Okay, that's it. Okay, so after you in this subnetwork need a one output node. Okay, so just click this subnetwork and right click, create digital asset, create new. Okay, and here is the name. You can change the name, the camera, the HDA name. This is the menu entry thing. For if you press tab, if you have the digital asset showing, so you can have the you can get our all the digital asset which we have created. Okay, and if you just here the AFX, here the camera first, you can change the menu entry for your choose. Okay, which you want. Okay, so this is the author user def. You can choose the def, beta, test, main. Okay, so this was testing thing. Okay, and this is the display branch level. You can then go to the digital asset and camera first thumb test. Okay, and here is the your HDA where the HDA is saving. Okay, so this is the path where our HDA is saved. Okay, yeah, so just create and okay. So now the parameter, all the parameter are empty. Okay, so here we have this is the thing. This is the camera level name, the camera first thumb icon, the subnet. You can, this is the icon for the, if you want to change the icon, you can uh, go to here and choose the icon section. Okay, where is the icon? Yeah, here is the icon. You can choose your icon. Okay, so by default I save is as it is, and this is the main thing, the parameter thing. Okay, so if you take my camera custom thing, so there is the only one output, no input. Okay, so here is the version input output. Okay, and this is the parameter. So here I can add all the parameter. Okay, so if you go inside, and this is our controller, so this is the our parameter. So I created this parameter in here. Okay, in this outside now. Okay, so there is the many way to you can promote your parameter in this here. So there is the one easy way. You can choose this controller thing, okay, and this is the camera path. So you can just drag and drop this thing, okay. So you can get this thing is here, okay. So I just deleted this thing. So I need one thing. I just delete and just this thing. Okay, so if you see my camera custom mode, camera custom, here is the some folder structure, the custom setting, display option, horizon layer and vertical layer. So how can do this? So in left side, if you here you can see the all the parameter things. Okay, so I just need a one folder, and it's named custom setting, custom settings, okay. And if you go outside, you can see the custom setting, and the folder tab should be also the simple, okay. Alright, so in the controller we need this parameter in this custom setting. So you can just drag and drop here the custom setting folder area. So you can get this thing under the custom setting, the camera part, okay. And we need this thing near clipping also and far clip also, okay. So we get our three main thing: the camera custom setting, the camera path, near clip and far clip. So this is the one thing, okay. And second option, I need quick to the camera custom. You can get this display option also, okay. So in the back side, the camera custom, this is the display option. So how can do that? Same thing, you can uh, just select this root thing and folder. So here is call name display option, display option, display option, alright. And the folder type should be simple. So in the controller, here is this is the, you can just drag and drop this thing, just select. And so first of all, I uncheck this thing, so this all this thing, I just choose this two thing, okay. So just drag and drop this thing, so it is linked. If you yeah, you can see this display option, okay. And just drag and drop this thing, also. So side panel also, so center line, and yeah, so this fourth thing, okay. So here this fourth thing, I need one more folder also. Just choose, select this root thing and this here folder. For the in the here we have the horizon layer and the vertical layer, okay. And in the display option, one thing missing, and this no, it's okay, okay. All right, so it's called horizon layer, okay. Okay. So horizon layer, and it should be simple. Go here and show horizon layer, and this thing, the number of layer also in this horizon layer, okay. So this is the show horizon layer. The same thing for the particle layer, I need a choose here. I need a one folder here, and is call show vertical layer except. So vertical layer, number of layer, okay, and enable layer color. I think for the enable layer color you can drag and drop this display option, okay. So our HDA was creating, okay. So apply accept. So our HDA is created, right? This is the main output thing, okay. So in here we did not see our camera because we did not import the any camera. So if you press tab and select the camera custom test, you can get your camera, okay. Okay, so this is our tool. Right click it, and here you can just go here, select the camera and this thing, and if you show the just select and select this, okay. So you can create this, we can show our first something, okay. So here we can choose the show near plane, so far plane, okay. Enable, and I just so this is the first time area. If you choose the horizon layer, you can see our horizon layer. So enable this color, you can see our color, and for the near clipping, far clipping, you can control from here, okay. So we just deleted this thing and click on camera custom, or if you can press right click and go digital asset, and here it should be the camera custom test, okay. So this is our camera custom, and from here we just call out our camera, okay. So we get our camera, and if I click on grid node, this is our grid, and size 1000, 200. This is our camera custom, okay. And this is our grid, okay. So if I take a group node, and a point, the primitive enable bounding box, yeah. So I get our custom thing, okay. So from here you can just increase the near clip, far clip, yeah. You can see this thing, okay. So this is our camera, this is our grid, okay. You can see if you want to gloss this area, take a gloss node, last go to delete non selected, so you can get our this thing, alright. Well, this is our custom, okay. So guys, thanks for watching this video.